Cut Rite definitely has streamlined our business. So when I look back, we did a lot of things by hand. We would go out to the machine, we would cut blanks on a saw, we'd go out to a machine and we'd hand program. So if we wanted a door 12 by 24, we would go into a program, pull up whatever profile we were running, and we would type it in by hand. And you were basically running one part at a time. Now, if we were running hundreds of them, it wouldn't be a big deal. But because we were so custom, we had to find a solution to be able to do this efficiently. And that's when we looked at Cut Rite.
I think Cut Rite is meant for pretty much any customer. If you have a router and you can apply Cut Rite technology to it, I definitely think you should, just because of how quick and efficient it is. If you're selling a few hundred doors a day, then you could efficiently nest those parts and get to work way quicker than if you're doing it one by one or programming them yourself.
So when we first implemented Cut Rite and we did our first optimization, my first thought was, this is gonna make my life a lot easier, because we were hand nesting everything. And to see that automation occur and it really do it better than I probably could have, and find little things that I probably wouldn't have found, made me feel good actually. Made me feel like, wow, this is gonna make my life easier.
Cut Rite has helped us streamline our business by being able to take large quantity orders, maybe all different styles, putting them all together into one optimized batch, getting the best yield, and being able to cut multiple different profiles for multiple different customers all at once. If they for some reason want a 7-inch rail, I can instantly change that one door to a 7-inch rail, all the rest being standard. It's very quick, very efficient, and I'm still getting those same nested parts.
We can't live without Cut Rite. I think the thing that holds a lot of people back is when they look at digital technology, they look at automation technology, they think of the complications and they think, I don't understand it, so I'm not gonna go there. We bought in because the technology is the only way we're gonna stay alive in the future.